The Bybit reverse tool is a tool you can use to quickly reverse a trade from long to short or short to long. This is an advanced trader tool. It's often used by scalpers when they're riding the peaks and the valleys of scalping trades. It can also be used at moments of market indecision. So here's an example of that. Let's say you were at this point in the market, and this is really only relevant if you're trading from a position of strength. A position of strength means you're trying to catch every ounce of a market bounce or a market breakout, whereas a position of certainty would be you would wait until the direction of the market and the volume has confirmed the trade. Most traders trade from a position of certainty, but there can be moments where, because you're trying to get into a bigger trade or there's some larger strategy at play, that you do want to enter a trade from a position of strength. So let's say at this point, the indicators were that the price was going up and you wanted to enter a long at this point. And then as soon as it breaks this resistance, all of a sudden you realize it's going down. You can use the reversed feature to quickly get out of the long and into the short. So Bybit would execute the identical trade just in the opposite direction. This is another example where a trader might want to use that feature. We have a resistance line that's held for quite a few days in the market that's now turning into support. Lots of indicators that the price is going up. So when it breaks, it'll likely break hard. But if it breaks this line and starts going down, then we also have a multi-day pattern here that could be breaking down, coming back down into the pattern. So it'll probably break hard down. So, some traders' philosophy is you just get out of the trade you're in and live to trade another day. Some more experienced traders prefer to actually reverse the trade so you make up for your losses and you at least catch the hard part of the down bounce, okay? So this is an extremely advanced trading skill. I wouldn't recommend you use this one unless you practice it on a test net for quite some time so that you understand how it functions. So let me show you how it looks on Bybit. I'm actually on testnet right now, so I'm going to do something I don't recommend. Don't do this at home. I'm just going to put in a fake trade with no market analysis whatsoever. Whoops, I need to market buy that. So I'm just putting in a small amount of trade here just so that you can see how this feature looks. Now you'll see as soon as I entered the trade, two things changed, right? You can see the open position here, and then you can also see right here that this little box appeared. And sometimes it's hard to see because it often sits right in the middle, often right in front of where the candles are. But it's this little box in the middle of the screen. You'll see on the box there's a little X on the end. That's not to close the box, that's to close the position you're in. So this is a quick exit route to your position. And the little up-down arrow is the reverse feature. So you'll notice I'm currently in a long for $2,000. I could even add a take profit and a stop loss. Now you'll notice if I hit the reverse feature button here, and it can be hard to see, it'll ask me to confirm. And you can click this box so it doesn't prompt anymore. So people who are scalping usually get rid of this confirmation window. I like to keep it to make sure I'm not making mistakes. But now you'll see essentially I've got the same trade except it's a short, but it wiped out the take profit and stop loss. So I would have to go back in and enter a new take profit and a new stop loss into this trade. But I'm now quickly in a trade in the opposite direction. Same margin, same amount, same leverage. If you find this content useful, I would deeply appreciate if you'd hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, and select all. Feel free to buy me a coffee. All donations to this channel are used to support our infrastructure projects here in our conscious community in Costa Rica. So we do things like building roads and water catchment areas that actually provides a lot of needed infrastructure for our area, as well as provides a lot of jobs in the development of those projects. I deeply, deeply appreciate all your support of our channel, from subscribing to using the affiliate links below. It's really a huge support to us, and we really do appreciate all the positive feedback and comments we've got. Feel free to post your questions in the chat below. We watch for the questions coming up in our feeds to know what additional videos you might need. at Conscious Crypto Traders, we really do believe that 20% of trading is technical analysis and understanding the technicals of trading. 80% is around mindset and managing your emotions so that you can trade effectively. So we do a lot of videos on both topics. Until next time, please trade consciously.